UWS wheel well toolboxes provide optimized storage and security for the items in your truck bed. They are designed to mount in the truck bed, integrating with the wheel wells to maximize space for other cargo. Each box features a corrosion-resistant aluminum construction, a stainless steel locking system, a patented rigid core foam-filled lid, and integrated drawers, all to keep your equipment and valuables safe, well organized, and easily accessible whenever needed. Each UWS truck toolbox is constructed from extra thick aluminum for increased structural strength. The tub is welded together into a single piece for weather resistance and to easily hold heavy tools and other items. The lid features a patented rigid core foam-filled design sandwiched between two aluminum plates. The locking mechanism of the UWS Fender toolbox provides excellent security for your items, featuring a stainless steel key-operated paddle handle for long-lasting corrosion resistance. For solid protection against the elements, the lid also has a micro-seal gasket which blocks moisture, dust, and insects from getting inside. The lid also opens a full 90 degrees for easier access. The three drawers of this toolbox allow you to keep your tools well organized and secure. They are locked behind a small, rear-facing door, keeping them safe from theft and the elements. They are constructed from commercial-grade, precision-injected plastic, and they slide on stainless steel ball bearings and sliders for excellent corrosion resistance. UWS truck fender toolboxes are available in multiple sizes to accommodate any storage need. If you're interested in purchasing the UWS wheel well toolboxes, check out the dealer locator in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with Keys to Ride.